Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to share Instagram post on Thread. So if you want to share your Instagram post on Thread automatically, or each time you have a post on Instagram, you want the same post to be shared on your Thread account, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, all you need to do when you want to share Instagram post to Thread is click on Instagram to open the application, click on the plus icon, then select the post you want to post on Instagram as well as on Thread. So just scroll through and then search for the post. So in this case, let's say this. Once you selected it, click on the next button at top right. Click on next again. Now scroll down the new post page, click on more options. Then here you see, come to automatic sharing. And then if Thread is disabled, go ahead and turn on Thread. And then you're good. So if you now go ahead and share the post, then this same post will publish on Thread as well. So that's basically how to share Instagram post to Thread. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.